What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Chevy 254, man. But today we in the Junkyard and we are here not for a Chevy, but for a Ford. Let's get into it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright, guys, what's going on? It's your boy, Chevy 254, man. As y'all heard from the intro, I'm here for the Fords, baby. Here for the Fords. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, why the fuck is Chevy 254 in a junkyard for a Ford? Some of you gonna be like, I knew it. He was a traitor. I knew he wasn't about that Chevy life. That nigga drove a Ram. No. It's not quite that simple, guys. So let me break it down for you. So my brother, my blood brother, my oldest brother he drives a Ford, okay? Yes, LS7 brother drives a Ford. So my brother needs something for his truck. I don't care what he ride, because at the end of the day, that's my brother. You know what I'm saying? The Chevy don't pay me to make these videos or sing Chevy praises. So, yeah. So today we looking at this joint here. All right, so we got a 97 Ford Expedition. His is a 2000, but this one is an Eddie Bauer. I know that one thing he was looking for was the body control module, and by my research that I quickly did about this car, it should be right here. I don't know if that's the same. Window. Yeah, I think that might be it. 97 to 2000. I don't know if it's compatible, but it could be. If so, then you know, I can save my brother some heartache and get him what he needs. But they got some more options out here, man. Let me go check it out. We got another Eddie Bauer Expedition. Pretty much probably gonna be the same story. What year is this one? This one is 2004 Expedition. It's green. Look like it's pretty much gonna be the same story. You know, I almost ended up in one of these motherfuckers one time. Story time with LS. So back when I first met my wife, the car that I had at the time seemed to be having issues, problems, whatever you want to call it. So we ended up going and looking for a vehicle. You know what I'm saying? My Bubba Chevy was down. I needed to pretty much grab something with a payment or something. And I was pretty much open to all options. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't like ride or die Chevy back then. Since then, I was like, yeah, man, I want like a big truck. Like, these bitches big, they roomy, you know what I mean? Like, fuck it, I get me an Expo. Well, I think what happened was we went to go see the truck. You know, we test drove the truck, but the way that dude was acting, my wife, she did not like that shit at all. She She did not. She did not like the way Buddy was acting. He was acting real, I don't know, real brand new, or however the fuck you would call it. Shit, I think this is that fucking wire I need. It'll cut this bitch. So, yeah, that's how that shit ended up. I almost coulda, woulda been off in a fucking Chevy, or woulda been off in a fucking Ford, but you know, that shit did not happen because dude had terrible customer service and shit. So I think this is what he need. I know he said something about a battery cable, and then he said something about that BCM. So what I guess what happened is this shit caught on fire or whatever. So like, I don't know where. I know he said something about a fucking fuse box. So, matter of fact, let me call him and shit. Let me see if I can record the call and shit. These wheels are still out here. The little Twinkies. They still out here for $250. But we need to tell them, hey, this is what I got for you. We can use this for like a set of racing wheels for the Cutlass. Stop playing. We don't need no wheels. We good on wheels, but $200 for that set. Yeah, like if you get a set of wheels out of this bitch, bro, you gotta do some work. You gotta do some work. Some work. Got some 22 for $275. 5x4.5. 5x115. Oh well, on to the yard. So we see we got this here. Look, this is crazy. Junkyard. It returned to the junkyard. I don't think this was the reason they went out though. You got your circular coils that already took the intake out this bitch. I don't know. Right here. Okay, curly. So what we got here, 81 to 87 El Camino. Looked like it had a swap done with the motor. I don't recall those being on these vehicles. I could be wrong though. What caught my eye was that one Krager wheel on the other side, but it doesn't look like there's one on this side. I'm gonna do a classic style for y'all. You see the VIN number right there. Yes, sir. I'm not gonna read it for you. You can read it yourself. Classic wouldn't say that. That's just something I would say. She got the mirrors on the doors. I wonder if these would fit the Chevy. They probably would. Got shaved door handles. Nice touch. 1984 Chevy El Camino. Oh, look at that. Look at the skulls, bro. Y'all see the skulls? I almost didn't peep that. That's hard. That's hard right there. That's hard. Let's see. Looks like it got the dual exhaust. It's got a couple antennas on it. Back glass is busted out. Unfortunately, I don't know how you open the door. Don't know how you open the door if they're shaved. Oh yeah, this artwork here is real nice. Look up under the back end, see if we can tell what we working with, what we got. 10 bolts, looks like. Let's see. That side is spinning. So I don't know what that means. Yeah, it looked like they go opposite ways. It don't look like it's nothing special with the red. Seats is gone. Dash is kind of rough. Steering wheel. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. I guess we can reach in and open the door. Let me see. Oh well, don't want to open. That's some bullshit. But yeah, man, nice color scheme, man. I love the two-tone black over gray, man, with the ghost shit. Chevy, powered by Chevy. Chevy wheel up and down. This is that same compressor that's on like the 84 to 87 joints. Oh no, not 84 to 87. This is the same compressor that's on those vehicles. That is, damn, what is it called? I forget what it's called. Anyway, this is the one that's on like them Chevy trucks. If y'all watch Mr. Griffin video, this is the same bracket that he used to do it on the LS. So just a tip for y'all. If y'all haven't seen his video, go watch his video. And then you can do this right here. Let's see. Got one Krager wheel. Like I said, that's what caught my eye, that Krager wheel. Condenser was pretty beat up. It's got the AC lines, etc. Looks like there was some collision going on right here or something. Scratched, hit it, something. These little back windows busted out. Definitely sucks to see one of these hit the yard. I'm very curious what these fit on fucking Caprice though. Cause I don't necessarily need I don't necessarily need like a manual mirror, bro. Like these chrome joints, I think, will add like a nice touch to the Chevy. Especially being that I'm missing one on the driver's side. That way I wouldn't have to. That way I wouldn't have to worry about, you know, making it match and all that shit. Oh, that's different. You know, instead of flipping down, it flips up. Or instead of flipping sideways, you know what I'm saying, it flips up. I never seen that before. But then again, I ain't never been up close with the El Camino neither. I think this is another one of the ones that I would probably like to have. But, you know, we already got a fleet. I already got a fleet. Let's see. I was kind of broken right there, but I don't know. I might see if I can grab these mirrors off here, man. Let's see what I can make happen with the Chevy. I like them. I like them a lot. And they can't be much because they come from Junkyard, so worth a shot anyway. What else we got here? Yeah, man, just like I said, it's sad to see another one of these classics hit the yard. But unfortunately, you can't save them all. Cannot save them all. All right, as we look a little bit closer under the hood, you got some long tube headers there for small Chevy. Well, you got one. Never mind. I got excited for y'all for a second. But yeah, that's only one, unfortunately. It's got some relays wired here on the side. I don't know if, I'm not sure if that was for the actual, I don't know if he had electric fans running or what. Let me see. The transmission is already gone. Oh, no, I take that back. The head is already on the ground, so you don't even have to worry about pulling it. And then that one there, just gotta unbolt it